Hi everyone, welcome again. And in this video, we will learn how to set up Git on your local development machine. Let's start. To set up the Git, you have to install Git on your local machine. Depending on your machine, whether you are using Windows OS or you are using the Mac OS, you can install the different version of the Git. Let's understand how to do that. To work with the Git, you have to open a new site in your browser. Go to your any browser, either Chrome or IE, anyone, and open this site git-scm.com. So this website has a software for the Git, and here go to the download section, or you can come to this section. Here you can see we have Windows GUIs. You can click on this link and download the Git for your Windows system. Go to, or if you are working on the Mac build, then you can use this Mac one. If you are using the other one, then you can use the tarbells or the source code. So since I'm working on the Windows OS, then simply I have to click here, either over here or click here on the download the Windows version of this Git. If you are from the Mac, then choose the link as per your OS. So let's click on it. Now we have to install this Git in our local system. So there are two ways. Either you can save the file physically and then run again to install it on the system, or you can directly run it from the browser over here. Simply click on the run button. Once you will click on the run button, first it will download the file and will run it automatically. I have already installed Git in my system, so I'm going to cancel it. And once you will download the file, you have to click on the next buttons and the Git will be installed on your system. Now to verify whether Git is installed or not on your system, simply open the command prompt or any terminal on your system. So just like I have opened this command prompt, and to check it, simply enter Git. If you get these few commands, then it means Git has been installed on your system. And just to check which version of Git has been installed, so git dash version. Now you will see, oh, so this is the version which is installed on my system. Git version, this is the Windows one and 2.10.2. So this is the version which is installed on my system. You can see what all commands are available in the Git by using few commands. So git dash help, press enter, and now you will see all the commands which are available for the Git. Let me expand it, and you can see here are Git commands. There are multiple commands that we will use in our system when we will be working with the Git repo. Let's close it. I hope you have installed Git on your system, and from the next video onwards we will work on the Azure repo in a practical manner. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.